Hey everyone, today I am making a video just to show the location of the block heater cord on a Lincoln Nautilus. It's actually really easy to find. We go up to the front of the hood and we look right here. It's right here tied up nicely with a cap on it, which is awesome. Now you will have to run an extension cord, and the hood does need to be left open a little bit for that extension cord to sit in there. Alternatively, this cord can be routed down. Just all these clips need to be cut off and things, and it can be rerouted down, and then you can have it brought out somewhere like down in the front of the grill. But for right now, that is where it is. So if you've been wondering, now you know. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a new video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a wonderful day. And if you're having to use a block heater, stay warm.